The trouble code P0456 in the Mitsubishi car means that there is a small air leak in the EVAP system. EVAP is the evaporator system in the fuel tank, so basically it's a special canister with a charcoal filter that gets air from the tank when you refuel. Cleans this air or sends it directly to the engine through a special valve. So there are many things that can cause this P0456 code, but you should start with the easiest ones. First of all, make sure that the fuel cap is properly tightened. Retighten it till you hear it click and try driving several miles. If the code is still there, inspect the rubber ring on the fuel cap. If you see a crack or it looks old and shabby, replace the ring or replace the entire cap. Fortunately, this costs peanuts and may solve the problem. Then the next step is to have a look at the tank and the EVAP canister. Unless you have a car lift, it's quite hard to do so. At this point, you may want to get some help. Also, in older cars, it makes sense to inspect the fuel filler tube that goes from the filler neck to the tank. It was metal in certain generations, and it may be affected by corrosion. In such cases, air will come out of the tank and the EVAP system will see this as the problem. But the good news is that in most cases the problem is connected with the fuel cap that is either badly tightened or has a minor defect on the O-ring. The second most common reason is a cracked charcoal canister that may be bought used at a relatively low price.